Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up LinkedIn ads for thought leadership with Matomo, tracking step by step clearly. First, log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the campaign manager from the LinkedIn menu. Click on the Create Campaign button. Select the objective that best aligns with your thought leadership goals. Choose the ad format you wish to use, such as single image, carousel, or video. Next, define your target audience. Select demographics, job titles, industries, and locations that fit your ideal audience. Set a budget for your campaign. You can choose either a daily budget or a total budget for the campaign duration. Once your budget is set, choose the bidding strategy that works for you. Afterward, proceed to the ad creation section. Fill in the required fields, such as the ad name, headlines, and body text. Add an engaging image or video that reflects your thought leadership content. Now, include a compelling call to action. Next, integrate Matomo for tracking. Go to your Matomo dashboard and find the specific tracking code. Copy the tracking code provided by Matomo. Return to your LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Paste the tracking code into the URL tracking section under Tracking. Ensure that you select any additional tracking parameters needed for detailed analytics. After finalizing the ad details, review all settings for accuracy. Finally, click Launch Campaign to set your LinkedIn ads live. Monitor the performance of your ads using Matomo to track engagement and conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.